All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today is March 12th. It's a Monday. Today's bell, we're going to ask you with the term D-Day. Have you ever heard it before, or have you used it before? And what do you think this term means, especially the D in D-Day? What does that mean? We had several answers come forward. But really what the Army does is before they even know the date of an operation, they plan the operation and say that the time of the event will be D-Day, which is the day of the attack. So it's very simple, but so when they go through Normandy or they go through the invasion, this is our job on H hour of D-Day. So they don't know the exact timing of the operation, but they can still plan it out, and they just hit H hour D-Day in those time periods. And then once they come to a more closer rendition and they come to a better conclusion of what's when the times are going to be, that's what they use. So pretty cool, interesting topic about D-Day here in terms of anytime this is any battle operation that we see during the Army, anytime a battle is planned, the D-Day of that is going to be the beginning of the start date of that particular operation. It just so happened that this event of the invasion of Normandy is called D-Day because this is the event that really is the beginning of the end for the Third Reich for Hitler. All right, so that's why this is such a big deal, because this event, not only do we lose the most soldiers in one day here, but we also have a major operational foothold into Nazi-occupied Europe as a result of this battle after one day. So it's a major, major improvement here, and you can see all the operation once we finally do take the beaches, how everything kind of plays itself out with all the materials that need to be shipped across for a war power. All right. Give you a situational report of Europe before we get to this event. Obviously in the east, Russia is pushing back against the Nazis. We've taken Africa, we're going up Italy right now, and Britain is poised to house the beginning of the attack of mainland Europe. All right. So what I want you to do for the rest of this particular idea is I want you to go to Canvas, and I'll kind of cancel out here so you can see this. Go to Canvas, take a look for today's idea. I have a brief here. You can download this in here. If you download, it's giving me an error right now, but if you do download it yourself, you'll see a pretty cool source there for it. Let me bring it up. Right here. If you bring it up, you can see that it goes through pretty much the entire D-Day history, what are the implications, how many troops, how much stuff, what was the point. So, this is a good reading source that you can use that we supplemented for the textbook today. So use this, read through this. You can use that for today. And take a look at that. But also, the video up at the top here, this one right here from 3:6, you click on this video and go to these times from 1 hour, 3 minutes, and 52 seconds. Click on that. Watch the video up to 1:15, which talks about the entire D-Day invasion from 3:6. So this is pretty much what we're doing after current events today. After we talk about D-Day, we get a situational report. We read about this, the history of the brief of it, at least for D-Day, and then we continue onward. All right. Tomorrow's discussion will be more specific to the paratroopers of World War II. What do they experience? What do they go through? What do they deal with in their preparations for this same event? All right, we're going to take a look at that tomorrow. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I will see you tomorrow.